Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a liquid title in After Effects. Let's dive into it. First of all, take a solid color layer. Choose any color as you like. Then, take a text layer. You can choose any text. Here I choose a word named aquatic. Keep the color of the text to white. Fix the text alignment to middle. Choose the font and other things. Now, using Rectangle tool, choose the color to white. Take a rectangle shape above the text like this. Then, set a keyframe of the shape to starting point like this. And to ending point, set another keyframe at 4 seconds after, covering whole text like this. Now, click on the Shape layer. Go to Effect tab. Choose Distort, then Turbulent Distant. From Effect Control option, change the value of amount to 105 to 110. Then hold Alt key from keyboard and click on the Evolution. You'll see a Evolution Expression option. Type here time *500 and click Out. Then click on the Shape layer. Go to Effect tab, choose Distort, then Roughen Edges. Change the value of border around 20 to 24. And change the scale value to around 150. You can check the video if the effect is working or not. Now drag the shape layer lower to the text layer. Change the track matte to Alpha Text Layer. Here it is, aquatic. Now check the effect by playing the footage. Then you can change the other values if you're not satisfied. Like offset, turbulence, you can change and fix it as per your need. Now, select the both shape layer and text layer, and pre-compose them. Now, duplicate the pre-composed layer. Then, select Effect greater than Generate greater than Fill. Change the fill color to anything. Here, I'm taking yellow. Move the pre-composed layer from the timeline to 1/2 second. Now, duplicate the pre-composed layer again. Now, move the new pre-composed layer from previous pre-composed layer to 1/2 second again like this. Change the fill color to anything again. Here I'm taking another color except yellow or white. I took something bluish. That's it. You can check the whole video if everything is working or not. That's how you create a liquid title in After Effects smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.